onto Ivy Terrace, then you will arrive at your destination.
We are now here in Carey County Museum. Tatanong muna kami kung saan kami pwedeng pumunta. Is it open?
Start off in the Stone Age and it brings you through the different ages, and also upstairs in the making, so it's not open but you can kind of get a
Snake,
look.
yeah,
Is the Rose of Trinity dress exhibition, so we have a few of them here.
Oh.
And then there's lots more upstairs. Yeah. Yeah, so this is this, and then here's the floor plan. We recommend to start upstairs.
Sa entrance, nakalagay dito yung Gowns of Glory. Roses, 1969 to 2022. Rose of Tralee pala. Mag-start kami ng tour upstairs and then going downstairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, may number naman pala. Kahit wala nang guide.
So we start from the middle.
Holy Thursday, April 22, 1916. History. Di, number 2 yung ano, yung Gowns of Glory.
3, 4, 5.
Doon tayo sa 3, 4, 5. O, diba? Parang ayaw kanilang pahirapan mag-isip. Ito naman tayo sa 3, 4, 5. Itong sa kabila, 1, 2. Then 3, 4, 5 dito sa hallway. Timeless model. Nalulunod o, naliligo lang sila. Naliligo? Nalulunod, naliligo. Out of order ang projector. Sana binabawas nila sa bayad yun.
Pero yung ano niya, binawas na yung isang tao. Pero hindi na lang ang bayad. Instead of 15.
Wala. Out of order. O, ang laki ng sulat.
Wala lang ang dami sila.
Wow. 18,000, 4,000 BC. First settler sila. Primitive greens. Ilang taon kaya? Ito yung kumikitang mga kabuhayan. Yung kanilang tomb. Tomb siya. Bronze Age. Kasi ang pangit na mga wig nila. Dapat kasi maganda yung wig. Para medyo makatotohanan. Sa bagay, wala pa shampoo. No? Ay, ano, ate? Di ba may ganun din dun sa nagbukod kaya? Oo. Ay, ito rin yung mga alphabet nila doon.
Parang napagod.
Hindi sila marunong mag-contour. Vision Metalworks. Ano to? Norman and Gale. Founding of Tralee. Sa buong Carey pala siya. Ang Carey is maraming towns. Dingle, Tralee, ano pa? Turkish. Castle Island. Sino si Norman? Saka sino si Gale? Norman is type of people. And Gale is type
Irish.
of people. Yeah. This is Norman. Baka ito si Norman.
It's Norman.
Ito si Gale. Ayan na naman siya. Oh. Bakit mo ko ginugulat, Tay? Gulat mo ko, ginugulat. Oh, ito. The War of Religion. The Treaty of Limerick. Laws. Carey Poets. So, ito yung history ng Carey. Oh, ito naman ang anatomy of... bomb?
Of feminine bomb.
Ito na yung exit.
I can spell better than a 12.
Ano ito? Nakalagay. Flana Aning. No? Galing, no? Hindi mo maintindihan. Ito na yung stairs. We finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to 6 and 7.
We love 6 and 7.
So second, 1 to 5. And then dito, reception. And then lower floor is 6 and 7. Gallery 6, 7. So we are going now at Gallery 6 and 7. This is archaeology. Oh, you're archaeologist now, huh? Yeah. So, ito yung fossils, mga bones yung na, hanggang sa mga pots. Ngayon, mga dumi na. Mga basura. So, tinan mo, pre-Norman, 12th century, 15, 16, 19, 21st century take. Saka cola. So sad. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga archaeologists. So we are in the 7th gallery. Medieval experience. Oh my goodness, ate. Dons on medieval tradition. So pwede siya mag-photo op.
So I have come to collect your debt.
Oh, patay. Collect your debt daw. Yes.
I have come to collect your debt.
Doon ka sa tabi niya. Makasakit ka din.
Ilagay mo na.
Yan, ganyan. Yan. Continue medieval trolley. Oo, bakit kulay pula?
Nasunog ko.
Ano nararamdaman mo? Okay ka lang? Ha? Ayo. Ang dami pa dito mga tao. Ang dami pala nating kasama. Medieval, no? Talagang ganito talaga yun. Ay. Ito na yung nila. Ito yung society nila during the medieval time. The meat sold by the butcher is slaughtered at the rear of the shop. Sa likod. Fresh. Very fresh. Parang yung nakikita mo sa mga movies. Ang galing, no? What there is to eat depends largely upon the season. Oh. What? I have fish?
Trading.
Okay.
I'm trading right now.
Where did you get that?
Over there.
Put it back. Nagtitrade us. So, ito yung trading system nila. May nagbebenta ng meat, tapos may tela, may candles. Ito yung pinakang city nila, no? Center. Trading center. Ito si Marites. Hi, Marites. Hello. Hi, Marites. Are you doing okay? Trading center nila that time. The ground floors of the houses facing onto medieval Tralee Main Street are mostly used as shop and workspaces, much like any other modern high street. Hi! Oy, mga spices naman yung inano nila. Ito fish. Uy, may nagtatapon. Ano yun? Ihi o tubig?
No, that looks like ihi.
Ihi?
Ihi. No, I feel like that's just like what? No fish, I tell you. You got to go on.
Ito pinakang center. Ano naman ginagawa nila dito? Ay! Ay, grabe.
He needs toothpaste.
Nakatakot dyan.
He needs toothpaste, literally.
Oh, pub. Inns. Ito yung mga inns before. Inuman. Happy hour. Adu-bala-badu-bala-badu-badu-badu. Ay, ending na pala to. Ano to? Sa dagat na?
Wait, let me come too. Wait.
What is this? Typical house? Nila. Maliliit din palang bahay nila. Saan sila tutulog? Sa taas. Dito sa taas.
Tapos ni Annabelle naman. Annabelle na.
Puro sila Annabelle. Oh, ito. The Geraldines are great patrons of church and Tralee. Si Father nakatulog na. Father. Gising. Father. Father. Tapos vampira pa rin. Yun pa rin exit. Now, we officially finish our tour in gallery numbers 6 and 7. Okay. Oh! Exit na tayo. Ah, ito yung nasa baba, ate. Exit lang siya. Nasa side. Ito na yung parking siguro ni Mami.
Where's there more? Is there more?
Oh. Ay, wala. Hindi, meron din. Ayan o, yung mga bag. Budol.
Mabigyan niyo mag-sign.
Yung exit nila. Puro mga ano lang, puro mga tourist pamphlets. Dito na siya. Okay, bye for now.